case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a riveting and complex case that captivated judicial attention, the Texas Court of Appeals in 1998 was tasked with determining whether those who actively participate or aid in a tortious act are equally liable for any ensuing harm. The case was brought by Marjorie Gail Shinn against Russell Martin Allen. At its crux, the lawsuit sought to ascertain whether Allen's actions resulted in a fatal car accident that killed Shinn's husband and left her injured. Prior to her suit, Shinn's husband tragically died in a car crash. Shinn herself sustained injuries in the same incident. The driver of the vehicle, allegedly intoxicated, was widely believed to have been encouraged by Allen. In the fallout, Shinn sought damages from Allen for his alleged negligence. Setting in motion a chain of events that would take the two parties to the state's highest court, Allen successfully filed a motion for summary judgment. This was a ruling based on the assertion that Allen did not owe any duty to the plaintiffs, and hence could not be held negligent. Undeterred, Shinn appealed on the grounds that there was evidence of a duty and a question of material fact, drawing on the concert of action theory of liability. Central to her appeal was the contention that Allen had not been in control over the vehicle, nor observed any signs of intoxication before the accident occurred. Shinn's legal angle was focused on establishing that Allen could be liable under this theory, which seeks to deter antisocial or dangerous behavior likely to bring about catastrophic outcomes or cause harm to a large number of people. Despite her strong arguments, the court upheld the initial summary judgment in Allen's favor. After a thorough review of the submitted evidence and the parameters of the concert of action theory, the judges concluded that the claims against Allen did not hold. There was no substantial proof that he had assisted or encouraged the driver in operating the vehicle, thus not breaching the concert of action theory of duty. In essence, the crux of the appeal rested on the interpretation of the concert of action theory, ultimately shaping the outcome of this engrossing legal saga.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.